We went on a little adventure the other day and we found a snapping turtle. It looked like it was on its way to our pond, so we thought we'd share a little bit about turtles with you. Turtles are vertebrates, like birds and mammals and amphibians and fish. They have an internal skeleton, and they are part of the reptile group. Turtles are covered in scales, hardened scales called scutes, on their shells, help to protect them. The shell is actually part of the turtle's body, and it can't walk out of its shell like you might see in a cartoon. The snapping turtle is an aquatic turtle, so its shell is going to be flat and streamlined for swimming, and it has webbed feet to help it to swim also. And oftentimes aquatic turtles are omnivores, meaning they'll eat both plants and animals. This is the carapace from a box turtle, and we found it on our property a long time ago. It still has a couple of scutes left on the top, but most of it's bleached out. If you look inside, you can see that the backbone and rib cage is actually part of the turtle's shell. As I mentioned earlier, the turtle can't walk away from its shell. A turtle shell is for protection. It does cause the turtle to have to move very slowly because the shell can be heavy. They're more streamlined in aquatic turtles, like I said before, and taller in land species. This is a baby box turtle we found over the weekend hiding out in the grass. It's really well camouflaged. This type of turtle will have legs that look more like little tiny elephant legs that are good for walking around on land. Often turtles will have claws on their feet to help them to dig. Turtles that live on land usually have a taller shell and feet that look like little elephant feet, like I said. They are herbivores usually and eat plants. If you look at this guy's shell, you can see the bridges that connect the carapace on top and the plastron on the bottom. Although you can't see this little guy's face, he does have eyes for daytime vision. He does have a mouth that's shaped like a beak for tearing apart food, and nostrils at the end of his little nose for breathing. Thanks for joining us for this episode of Nature Notes. We love turtles around here, and we hope you've enjoyed learning a little bit more about them.